ever since its significant contribution to the German victory against France in the Franco-Prussian War in 1871, artillery had enjoyed a particularly prestigious position within the German Imperial Army. From 1914, artillery units were employed extensively to support all operations, while technological advances meant that its destructive power and effectiveness increased significantly as the conflict progressed. That effectiveness also influenced the future construction of defensive positions, as all sides sought to counter the sheer weight of high explosives that could be delivered with considerable accuracy by a wide range of guns, mortars, and howitzers of all types, capabilities and calibers. Arguably, the combination of artillery fire and machine gun fire shaped the whole nature of the war on the Western Front in particular, precipitating the stalemate and onset of operational stagnation from the end of 1914, followed by the years of trench warfare and the dominance of defensive operations, which persisted until the appearance of Allied tanks on the battlefield. Certainly, the artillery arm more than any other exemplified the industrialized, dehumanized and mechanistic forms of attrition warfare that characterized so much of the Great War.